Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are gonna be doing how to make an account. So here's what you will see. First, you have to register your account. I'm gonna be using Gmail as Google Mail. So I will make a extra Google account first before I fill this up. Now, after I finished it, now let's make a username. It could be anything you want. Once that's submitted, username is already in use, so let's change it. Now that's done. But if you try to log in, it won't work. So we have to wait until an activation on your Gmail mail is sent a message on like a thing. I'll just show you. Now you see this. Even though you see some censored parts, see, look. There you go. And you just need to click here. Just wait. And it will send you a verification thing that you're not a robot. You're not a robot stuff. And it will send you something. Select all squares with vertical. Select all squares. It could be randomized. I'm not saying that it would be like always the same like this. Oops. There. When it's done, verify it, and it says there, if you can read, thank you for activating your account. You can now log in. Now just use the same username that you did and the same password. There you go. Now you logged in and you have finally an account. Maggie. And this will be quick because it's very easy. Lag. Yay! The reason why I did that is because, look, try to save. You need to go at least 10 stars to enable saving. So now you know. I'm just gonna open this. It could be official. You can also account settings. Here you can put your YouTube channel. It will be all secretive. And also stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Yay! Yeet.